Today I'm making horseradish cream sauce. Starting with mayonnaise. And to this mayonnaise, I'm going to add a little horseradish. Actually, I'm going to add a lot of horseradish because it is a horseradish cream sauce. Now, right there, we have the horseradish. I'm going to add just a touch of hot pepper sauce. You have so many to choose from, and you have your favorite. Remember that cooking is really for you. Then to this I'm going to add a little bit of Worcestershire sauce. Just a dribble. It's going to give it a little more flavor. And a touch of chopped chives. A pinch of salt. A little spit of pepper. Now, I'm going to mix this first, just like this. And right here, I have a horseradish mayonnaise. Now, to make this horseradish mayonnaise into a cream sauce, I just need to add a little sour cream. Now, you can also add some whipping cream if you want it to be very runny. But the sour cream is going to bring a certain tartness to the sauce that whipping cream won't. Gonna stir it in here. And there you have a horseradish cream sauce. This is wonderful on grilled meats or just big roasts that you carve. Let me try. Delicious. Makes me think of prime rib. I'll see you next time.